In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up with Wayfair affiliates. If you're interested in partnering with one of the leading home goods retailers and earning potential commission, you're in the right place. Joining their affiliate program can open up new opportunities to monetize your content, whether you're a blogger, a social media influencer, or have any platform where you engage with your audience. To start, we need to navigate to the Wayfair affiliates page. A simple way to do that is to head over to your favorite search engine, like Google, and type in Wayfair affiliates. This search should pull up several options, but you'll want to look for the official Wayfair website link. Click on www.wayfair.com to proceed to their official site. Here, you'll be able to find more information about their affiliate program and how you can become a part of it. Upon landing on the Wayfair site dedicated to their affiliate program, you'll see an overview of how this program works. It's an opportunity to monetize your content by promoting Wayfair products and potentially gain commission on sales made through your referral links. Once you familiarize yourself with the benefits and requirements outlined on the page, find the Apply button and go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new page, the application portal for Wayfair affiliates. Here you're taking your first step into becoming a member. You'll need to locate and click on Apply Now to begin filling out the necessary form. This section is crucial as it is designed to capture your basic information to create your credentials and profile on Wayfair's system. Next comes the part where you need to provide your email address. Make sure this is an email you have regular access to, as you will receive important communication and updates here. After entering your email, you'll need to create a secure password. As a tip, choose a password that combines letters, numbers, and special characters. This keeps your account safe and helps prevent unauthorized access. After filling out your email and password, you will see an agreement that involves the Wayfair privacy policy and creator program terms. It's important to read through these terms so you understand the rules and requirements of participating in their affiliate program. If you're comfortable with the agreements, continue by clicking the box to confirm that you agree to these policies and terms. Finally, review all the information you've entered to ensure it's correct. Any discrepancies here could delay your application or potentially prevent access later on. Once everything seems in order, find the Sign Up button and click it. This will submit your application to join the Wayfair affiliate program. Congratulations! You've now successfully completed your application process and are on your way to joining the Wayfair affiliate community. Keep an eye on your email for any further instructions or confirmations from Wayfair. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your